students, welcome to this brand new series of Lapic channel where we will be learning C++ from scratch. And along with scratch, that means from beginner to even advanced. So starting from a beginner, we will go level by level up to advanced level, and along with C++, it is not just limited to C++, we will be covering data structures and algorithms also in C++. So, whether you are a complete beginner or just looking to sharpen your skills, this is the right place to be at this time. So, in this video, we will be starting with the very basics, that will be a Hello World program. Hello World program is just a program that is always a basic starting program for each and every language. Okay, so in this videos, I will be less theoretical and will focus more on practicals. Okay, so first of all, let's see how to make basic structures of a C program. So first let us make a file, and the file we make is with the extension of .c++. So let me name it hello.c++. So like this, a C++ file will be created in which you will be able to code your C++ code. So I'm using Visual Studio. If you want to just practice, you can use online compilers, or if you want to do more in C++, use Visual Studio and install the extensions and then run your C++ code in Visual Studio. Okay, so let's start. So the first line we write in a C++ code is hashtag include IO stream. So what does this line do is, IO stream is like I means input, O means output. Okay, so input output stream is used to take input and output. What come under it is C out and C in. Okay, C out is used for displaying the output, and C in is used for taking the input. You will understand it more clearly when we will use it in the program. So don't be tensed. Just it is a basic. Just understand that this line is always included in your C++ program for inputting and outputting. Okay? Okay, so let's move. So it is used for input and output. So the next line we use here is using name space std. Okay, so this line is used for like when you want to input something or write something, if you don't use this line, you have to write if you want to output something. Okay, so you have to writ like this, stdc out. Okay, but if you do this at the starting, you don't have to use std again and again. So like you have we have learned in Java or any other language that we used to define a keyword in Python, like so we used to define something shortcut for something, just for long type we used to define ll. You have learned lis, okay, that's short forms, so we use those. So like this for a phenomena, so this is used so that we can directly write C out and C in, and we don't need to put std in front of each and every line. Okay, the next thing is so simple. You everyone know that we have to create a method. So let me create a method int main. Okay, so why I have written int here? Because it will return some value. Okay, this point should be clearly set in your mind that if we use void, it is a non-return data type and it will not return anything. Okay, if it is written int, then it will return int value. If double, then double value, and like that. That means if I write here void, then it will not return anything. Okay, so here I have used int, so it will return something. So what I will do is, for outputting, what I want to output is like I want to display hello comma world. Okay, so what I can do is, I have told you that C in. Okay, let me write it here. C in is used for input. Okay, and C out is used for output. Okay, so here we don't need to input anything, we just have to display hello world. So is there any need to use C in? Yes, it is not needed here. So what we need here is just C out. So what we can do is C out hello in the same format as we want to print hello comma world. Okay, after this we have to put semicolon, and if we want the next line after this, like in Java you uses println. Okay, so like in this, if you want a next line, so we can use end L. It will make the cursor to next line. It will, okay, the cursor will come in next line after this. Okay, it is the thing just we have to do. And see here int, so we can use here return 0, so it will return a integer value. Okay, so let me open the terminal and run this. After building it, let me run the code and it will show me the output here. Okay, hope you understand. So what we have learned in this lecture is the basic structure of C++ code, how to start. Okay, so it is helpful for even first year students, second, third or fourth. Everyone can easily grasp each and every topic of this video. So what we have do here is, first we have understand that why we use IOStream and using namespace std. Just you have to by heart these two lines that we have to always use that, because to make them for input output and this for standard. Okay, and then int main we have to create a method, and then what we have to do is all will come under these curly braces and then a return statement. Okay, hope you understand. Stay tuned with this playlist and show me a good response if you want me to continue this playlist. Okay, so the continuation of this playlist is just dependent on your responses. Thank you. Bye bye.